Hey guys, it's Dave from theunlocker.com, and today I'm going to show you how to load a custom ROM on your HTC One M8. Okay, before you begin, you must be rooted. If you're not, click on this link here to be taken to our How to Root the HTC One Toolkit Method video. Follow this procedure, and when you're done with it, you can come back to this one to continue. When you do come back, you also need S-Off. So we have another video for that as well. You can click on this link to be taken to that. Again, once you're done with that, and it's pretty short, you can come back here and we can continue. Next, head to our ROM repository, which is by clicking this link here. We're heading to theunlocker.com/ROMs. And you get to choose what ROM you want. So we have this new search field stuff that we're kind of working on. It still needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So if you do use it and you do notice some things, please use the Contact Us form on the site and let me know what you think or what needs to be improved, etc. I'm really trying to get it to work properly. But for now, we're going to use it to grab a ROM for the HTC One M8. So you begin by typing in the name of your phone. And it should autocorrect it for you. And then you can sort by the UI skin you want it based on, the kernel, and the version of Android. And right now we only have one, but that will change very soon. So you click on that ROM, or whichever one that you want to use. I'm going to use the Viper ROM here. And then you'll see the download link is right here. We're going to click that to be taken to the developers page. And we'll scroll down there and find his download link. And click download. And save that to your desktop. We want to plug our phone in via USB to our computer. Okay, then we can close HTC Sync when it opens up. And then in our Explorer, we're going to go to PC, HTC One. Do that again every time I try to open. Internal storage. And then scroll down to the bottom so we have a blank space. And we're going to drag that .zip over to the blank space so that it goes to the root of the storage and wait for that to transfer. Once it does, you're going to close that, unplug the device, turn the device off. Once it's totally off, you're going to hold down volume, down, and power at the same time until we get HBoot. And then we're going to push volume down once and then power to select recovery. Then, before you flash any ROM, you should always do a backup. So we're going to do a backup and swipe and wait for that to back up. Warning, it will take a little bit of time. Once it's done, you're not going to hit reboot system. You're going to hit back, and in here, we're going to tap wipe, then swipe to factory reset. And it's always a good idea to wipe before you flash a custom ROM. Back again, and now install. And then we're going to find our, in this case, Viper One M8.zip. Again, we never extracted it, just so you're aware. It's a zip file. You leave it as such, you put it on the device as such, and then we're going to select it as such, and swipe to confirm, and wait for that to flash. A note, some ROMs do have this kind of neat installer program that they've added to kind of help you choose some of your options before the ROM actually gets installed. So if you do see something like this, just go through it and you'll see the different options. You've already wiped, so you don't have to. And basically just choose whatever device configuration you want and go through all the steps until the end. And when it's done, continue through. This one's going to tell you to reboot your device automatically for you. If it doesn't do that, it'll just say done in recovery, and then you'll have the option to reboot now. So we'll just do that. And wait for it to reboot. And there you go. You'll go through the normal setup process for any ROM. And then you can come into the ROM special settings and activate all of them. And I mean, this is just the status bar in this one, right? Prism launcher. Look at all this. Colors for everything. I mean, look how much there is. So as you can see, it offers a lot of customization options. It's also usually faster, has a lot of other cool features to it. So check them out. You can also rate the ROMs on the website as well at theunlocker.com/ROMs, and let me know what you think. And there you go. Now you have a custom ROM on your HTC One M8. You can also go back and flash any other ROM that you want, and keep doing that until you find one that suits your needs. We actually just installed a cool new search function to pick different features about the ROMs that you may like the version of Android that it's based on, the UI skin that it's using, the kernel, etc. On the website, which is at theunlocker.com, which is missing the E in the word unlocker, /ROMs. So please feel free to reach out to me on Twitter, Google+, Facebook, here in the YouTube comments and on the website comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, guys, thanks for watching.